I had a partial knee replacement done, and I am very, very pleased. It's been 7 months, and I can hike 3 miles every 2 days and do my natural activities, just like before the surgery was done. I was nervous at first because working with a robot, it just seemed out of the ordinary for me. But once he described that the robot would be doing the cutting of the bone, and then he actually placed the parts, I felt more comfortable. I hope for a long life of happiness and enjoy my hiking and photography, and I just didn't want to be tied down with a bad knee, and I'm right back to where I want to be now.
The technology with joint replacements has not changed drastically with the implants we put in. It's changed quite a bit with how we've put the implants in, and that's where the Makoplasty robot comes in, is that we can put joint replacements in a less invasive way. It allows their muscles to recover sooner and allows them to get back to their activities.